Welcome back to Catalina 27 channel. Just want to talk to you guys today for just a minute, literally just a minute, because that's all it's going to take to tell you how bad this stuff sucks. I special ordered it, non-skid clear sealant. It says it's got carnauba in it. I figured it'd act like a wax at least. Didn't do crap. I followed the directions to the letter. 3 weeks ago, just dust from sitting outside. I go to hose it off. Dust comes off the hole above the water line and everything where there's just dust. All comes off because it's been polished and waxed. The gel coat's not in that bad a shape, in the non-skid. I put 2 coats of this stuff on and it just doesn't work. It's a 2 out of 10 max. It's crap. Don't bother. It's a waste of money. Just letting you guys know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like the video, give us a like. It helps. I got another video coming out on probably Saturday. So see you then. Bye.